Hey hello guys, welcome back to TechCyber. Before getting into the video, make sure that to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon to see my latest videos instantly. In this video, I will show you how to fix so-and-so.dll file. So, this is the dialog box which you face most of the time while opening a software. In this video, I will show you how to fix any of the .dll file is missing error. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Open your web browser and type dll-files download. Here you can see the first link dll-files.com. Click on it. So here you have to type the message which comes in the error. So this is the message which you have to type in it. Your search result will be showed here. Click on the file and scroll down in this page. They will give you the files to be downloaded with different architecture. To check your architecture, right click on computer and go to properties. Here you can see the system type 32-bit operating system. If you have a 32-bit OS, click on 32 architecture download, and if you have 64-bit OS, click on 64 architecture download. I have a 32-bit OS, so I click on 32 architecture download here. This will redirect you to the download page. The download will start automatically within 5 seconds. Right click on the zip file and click on extract here. So select these two items and copy it. Now go to the C drive and click on Windows folder. Scroll down here and search for System32 folder. Paste the selected items in this folder. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching my video. If this video was useful, please hit a like, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends.